up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Drea's Sanity. It's your girl Drea. So today I will be making a set for myself. I haven't made one for a little while, so it's about that time. So I will be doing a stiletto set. So these are the tips that I will be using. They're kind of like frosted. They're from Macarak. I can show you the bag that they come in. This is the bag. I've used these a couple of times and I noticed that they run a little small. And what I mean by that is just basically like, normally these two of my fingers are a size 4, but they are a size 3 for these full coverage tips. So that's just something to keep in mind. But they're really cute and really convenient. It doesn't take a lot of like shaping to get them like where I want them. So that's pretty cool. So I already got my mounting tabs on here, and I'm just gonna stick them on. Something else that I noticed that was a little bit different about these tips, they have like a frosted bottom, and I think it's because like they're slightly textured on the inside, which is kind of cool because it wouldn't help stick to your nail better once you like put the glue or acrylic or like whatever you use to adhere your nails to your natural nail. So I thought that was cool. So normally I use the inside of the I take the inside and I like file it a little bit before I put it on my nail, so that way it basically will do that, will adhere to the nail better. But I'm not going to do that this time and see how long they last, see if that's why they did that and if it works or not. Okay, so again, these tips are from Macarak. They're full coverage, they're slightly frosted but still like see-through, still clear. So that's cool. I haven't done like all stiletto in a really long time. I've been leaning more towards coffin shape, so I'm excited to get these on. Still debating on what I want to do to them as far as like the color and design, so I'm still in my head a little bit about that. This is my dust collector. I'll leave the link below, but I did forget like what the name is. It has like this little cute design right here, do like. This thing is really awesome. It's chargeable, so you don't have to have it plugged in while you're using it. It came with an extra filter, so you can just pop that out and replace it. You can also clean the filter. The filter's is good for a few months, and then they suggest that you replace it. But I have like no complaints about this dust collector. It's like amazing. I love it so much. Okay, so I will be filing them a little bit and buffing them just so I could get these rough edges off and to just shape them up a little better, because they're all right now, but they need to be like snatched. Nails are all shaped up and buffed, and my station is clean. The nails are dusted. I'm going to start with my base coat, Modelones base coat. So I was sitting here trying to figure out like what I wanted to do on the nails, and I have decided. So we're gonna start with Beetles gel polish. This is black. Only gonna need one coat of the black. Something about a black stiletto nail almost makes me want to leave it like this, but I'm not. I'm gonna be using this blue chrome. So I decided, since we have this really pretty chrome blue, that I was gonna try and do some like clouds, but like stormy kind of clouds, I guess. So let's see what we could come up with. I have two colors on here. One of them is Modelones Dancing Cinderella, and the other one is just Beetles gel polish white color. Just gonna start with a couple of dots. Excuse the sirens, but I'm gonna be doing a star. So I'm gonna be doing a few stars. I do want to see if I can attempt to do a moon. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna leave it like that. Mainly because I don't have time. Okay, so this is what the nails look like. Because I'm short on time, I'm not going to be adding any bling, even though I really want to. It's alright. So I'm going to be top coating them now with Modelones top coat. So here is the final look. I think they came out super cute. Love how shiny they are. Like, comment, and subscribe if you mess with the vibes, and thanks for watching.